Good morning to all of you. In continuation of chapter 2, yesterday we have done the questions from 4 to 7, and now we have started today eight, question number 8, 9, 10 and 11. So I hope yesterday work was completed by all the students which have seen my video, and yesterday I have given a homework to draw a human digestive system in your fair copy. I hope you all draw the human digestive system in your fair copy. In continuation of the exercises, today we will discuss first the question number 8. Now we will discuss in your exercise question 8, that is, why do we get instant energy from glucose? Listen children, we have already discussed this point in the explanation part of the chapter also, that in the different type of nutrients, the glucose is the energy rich food and we get instant energy from glucose. This question is now repeated in your exercise question, why do we get instant energy from glucose? The answer is very simple, that as we know, we get instant energy from glucose because glucose is a simplest compound and it is a type of simplest carbohydrate. As you remember in your explanation in the class, it is made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, which easily get breakdown in the cell with the help of oxygen and gives energy and gives energy. So you have already understand that this compound, that is known as glucose, is easily break down in the cell with the help of oxygen, and when glucose is break down, it will produce carbon dioxide and water plus energy. Now move on to question number 9. Question number 9 is, which part of the digestive canal is involved in? So in this question you have already seen there are so many functions of digestive organ and you have to write the organ corresponding to these various functions. Okay, first is absorption of food. Where it is takes place? It is takes place in the small intestine. Second one, chewing of food. Where is chewing of food takes place in our digestive tract? It will be takes place in the mouth. Third one, killing of bacteria. Student, you remember your explanation part. While I am during explanation, I am telling about that stomach can release a hydrochloric acid known as hydrochloric acid, which is involved in killing of bacteria. So where it is taken place? It is taken place in stomach. Fourth one is complete digestion of food. Where food get completely digested, all the component of the food get digested in a digestive tract known as small intestine. Last one is formation of feces, and as you know and as you remember your explanation part, it will takes place in the large intestine. Absorption of food taken place in small intestine. Chewing of food, it is taken place in mouth. Killing of bacteria is it taken place in stomach. Complete digestion of food taken place in small intestine, and formation of feces can be taken place in the large intestine. Write one similarity and one difference between nutrition in amoeba and human beings. It is your question number 10. You have to write a similarity between the nutrition of amoeba and human being, and you have to write what is the difference between nutrition in amoeba and nutrition in human being. First we have discussed about the similarity. As we know, students, the both amoeba and human beings have a kind of nutrition that is known as holozoic type of nutrition. Write your answer in the point while writing a similarity point. The digestive juices in amoeba are secreted in the food vacuole, and in human beings the digestive juices are secreted in stomach and small intestine. From the juices convert complex food into simpler soluble and absorbable substance. Both the organism secreted digestive juice, and digestive juice, by the help of digestive juice the more complex compound can be simpler, convert into more simpler part of food. Now come to the difference point. What is the difference between amoeba and human being nutrition? Amoeba captures the food with the help of pseudopodia and engulf it. In human being, food is taken by the mouth. That is the difference point. And I think both the difference and similarity are clear to you. Now move on to question number 11. This is again the matching question. Match the items of column first with suitable items in column second. First you have to write column 1 and then column 2. First is salivary gland, and the right answer, that is saliva secretion. What function the stomach do? That is the acid release. Third one is liver, that is bile juice secretion. What function does our rectum do? Storage of undigested food. What function our small intestine do? Digestion is completed. And lastly, large intestine, that is help in absorption of water. So student, these are the questions which we all do these questions in your fair copy. Okay, thank you student.